Hi everyone, Himanshu here, and in this video I wanted to give you the idea and the strategy of picking your community niche, because now I see a lot of people are launching the community, but most of them are creating it randomly and only following what other people are doing. So let me give you this very powerful strategy that I have used a lot of times when I start a business, and I have seen this strategy implemented by a lot of very successful people on the internet. So make sure to pay very close attention if you are struggling to make money with your community, or if you are struggling to pick niche. And also I have created these 100 niches. So all these ideas to help you kickstart your community if you are still procrastinating and if you are still unsure which way to follow. Okay. So there are three elements of a good community niche. The first one is starting with something that you have some interest in and that you really love. Now this part is very obvious. You do not want to start something that you have no interest in, because you will end up getting bored and eventually you will quit. So that means all the efforts that you will put in will go to vain. So you do not want to do that, right? You want to focus on something that you really enjoy doing. So that is the first thing, and that everybody knows about. Now second part is you want to pick a niche that people have desire in. So let me explain. So a lot of people start with something that people need, but people do not really pay money for what they need. They pay for something that they desire. So you want to pick a niche that people have some desire in. And third part, which is the least talked about part, is pick a niche that you have some leverage in. So leverage by principle is something that gives you an advantage over something. If something is too heavy and you are trying to pick it up, then if you have a leverage, then it is easy to pick that thing. So in the same way, in business, you want to start in a topic, you want to start with a product idea or community idea where you have some leverage. Let me give you this example. So let's say you have a long history of fighting with addiction and you overcame your addiction. Now you have an experience that you can share with other people. And this thing itself, your experience itself, becomes a leverage that is helping you in business. Now same thing with your education. Let's say you studied some specific subject in college and you have some specialized knowledge around that subject. Now you have a leverage that other people do not have. And the same thing with location. Maybe you stay in a place that is same thing with a network. Maybe people in a certain industry, and you have a network that is hard to get by other people. So you will have a leverage in that specific industry. So you want to start in a niche that has these three elements. Number one is something that you have interest in. Second is where there is a market desire. And third one is where you have some leverage. But at the same time, this might be challenging to pick a niche in the beginning. So let me give you these ideas that I have created, and these are in these big industries, and then there are these micro community ideas, and also I have segmented it with product ideas and demand ranking, so you can actually analyze which way you can follow. And these are not the limited ideas. You can also derive new ideas from them, or you can come up with something that you already know. Okay, so it will work as a guide for you. So these are 100 niche ideas. One is business consulting. So inside business consulting, strategy, sales, HR, business coaching. Then inside health and wellness, weight loss, men's health, and nutrition consulting, sleep improvements, addiction recovery. And then if you look carefully, inside addiction recovery, that can be smoking addiction, it can be porn addiction, it can be alcohol addiction. And then relationship coaching, then career education, personal growth, pet care, home and lifestyle, travel and hospitality, and financial planning. And okay, in the end, technology and digital services. So these are different ideas that I have created. I will put the link below this video so you can go through it and you can head start. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comment box. Or if you want me to review your community, I would love to do that if I have the time. So make sure to let me know in the comment box what do you think about it, and if you have any specific idea around picking up your niche, then I would also love to know. And I'll see you in the next video.